chemistry, internal theory, physical chemistry first paper. Today internal examination of BSc 6 semesters are going on at SDM Government PG College, Doiwala, especially in chemistry hall. Now today, physical chemistry, this paper consists of two sections, section A and section B, and total marks 25. In section A, 3 questions have been given so far, and out of 3 questions you have to attempt only any 2. Now the first question is derive an expression for a Langmuir adsorption isotherm. This question carry 5 marks. Now the second question is derive an expression for Freundlich adsorption isotherm. This question again carry 5 marks. And now the third and last one is derive an expression for Schrödinger wave equation for one-dimensional. So out of these 3 questions, you have to attempt any 2. So this means this section will be of 10 marks. Now go for section second. Section second, it is based on short notes type questions and answers, and this section contains total marks 15. And now questions are as follows. Now first question is explain and derive Stephen's law as well as Wien's law. First, this question carry 5 marks. Now the question number 2. 2 is derive an energy expression for particle in one-dimensional box. Again, this question carry 5 marks. Now the third one is explain Planck's radiation law, and with the help of this you have to prove that Wien's law and Rayleigh-Jean's law. Now the last one is differentiate between physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. So out of 4 questions you have to attempt, or you have to choose any 3, and each carry 5 marks. So therefore total 25 marks has been allotted to this chemistry first paper, especially physical chemistry first paper. Okay, and today 29th March 2025. So my dear students, all the best to all of you. Whatever you write, it should be neat and clean, so that otherwise, it will be very difficult for me to make it out, isn't it, all of you? And now, after the physical chemistry first paper is over, you have to take part in another paper which is known as chemistry internal practical, and the course name of this paper is Analytical Procedure 4, and further this practical will have 25 marks. Okay, so that's all today, and I hope you will do well, and try to get as much as marks you can. Okay, have a nice day. This is Dr. Puran Prakash Singh Khati, Senior Professor of Physical Chemistry, Head of the Physical Chemistry subject, Doiwala College. Thank you very much.